How to block, unblock, forget devices. Your network security app makes it easy to block, unblock, or forget an individual device on your Wi-Fi network. You may want to block a device you do not recognize, or if it's showing suspicious or malicious behavior, or you want to forget a device you no longer own. To block a device, tap on Devices, slide right on that device and tap Block. That device will now appear on the blocked list and will no longer have access to the internet through your Wi-Fi network. If you would like to unblock this device, just tap on it. To forget a device, tap on it from the device list. This is the device's detail page. Then tap on Forget this device. Once forgotten, the device will be removed from the device list. If the device joins the network at a later date, you will be notified as if it were a new device.